Hey everyone. Before we talk about being effective, let's understand willpower. Willpower is the ability to ignore short-term discomfort to achieve long-term goals. It's a biological function, not a special talent. Without benefits, no one would endure discomfort. Naturally, if we don't use willpower, our emotions will always win over our rational side. This is true for everyone, including Kobe Bryant, you and me. In a 2010 research paper titled Ego Depletion and the Strength Model of Self-Control from the National Library of Medicine, researchers found that self-control is a limited resource. Once it's used, it affects our ability to perform subsequent tasks requiring self-control. So we now know that willpower or self-control is limited. We need to protect it carefully. Here are two hacks to help you do. Hack number one, plan your tasks in advance. Imagine you have two tasks. Task B is important but difficult, and task C is not important but easy. If your boss suddenly asks you to do both tasks, you'll likely do task C first because it's easier. If you do task B first, you spend some willpower. Now suppose your boss adds task D, which is also not important but easy. You'll do task D next, and task B never gets done. To avoid this, plan your tasks in advance. For example, schedule task B for tomorrow from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. During that time, focus solely on task B. It's now your duty, so you don't need to spend willpower deciding what to do next. Turn off your phone and say no to everyone. This way, you can complete your task effectively and produce high-quality results. Hack number two, make it a habit. Remember the first month you started brushing your teeth? How did you respond to your mom? It's natural to avoid discomfort because it requires willpower. Now, no one has to remind you, but you brush your teeth every morning and night. Why? It's already a habit. You don't need to use any willpower to do it. If something is important to you, make it a habit. For example, you can make a habit of reading a book for 15 minutes before showering. In the long run, I can guarantee you'll be wiser than someone who doesn't have this habit. And I'm sure your teeth are healthier than someone who doesn't brush regularly. That's all for today. If you found these hacks helpful, please subscribe, like, and share. See you next time.